Ujasita Mangobez is saying money, it is not a problem to have. You guys need to stop judging her. It is normal for black people to have money. So anyway, guys, let's get to start off today. No, the rest of the house is someone please understand. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Say happy Tuesday, happy 2026. So guys, Ujasita Mangobez Zuma took to her Facebook account, and this is what she has to say. Since you guys loved my old picture on the plane so much, I've decided to give you another one. I've also got more of them. Guess what? You will learn to know that black people can have nice things and still fight for the other black people to have nice things. We are not funded for that. Maybe we have gotten people to use to greed and being self-saving, asking those who know me from high school, from church, even radio. Maybe they will tell you about me. I'm not new to standing up for people at all, spreading lies, about me. It will never stop me. Much and much was started for the people until you listen to what the people want. You will keep talking and talking, but you won't change anything. You can call them lazy, uneducated, self-hating. You can write articles from here until to infinity. But South Africans have carried the burden of being ignored in their own country for way too long. So whether you tag me or you try to destroy me without me, there will not be silence anymore. Much and much is bigger than anyone, even me. We will win. So what you're saying, Damagobe says so much. She's saying, even if you guys are trying to destroy her, saying, no man, she's here for the money, she wants to benefit from the whole thing. Yaka much and much. Yeah, guys, she knows money. She has been living a soft life, guys. If you go to Jacinta Mangobe's Instagram account, you'll see with this girl, man. It alleged that her husband is rich. I'm not sure, guys. Let's engage in the comment section and tell me. So, guys, Ujasita, she says she knows money, guys. It is normal for black people to have money. It is normal for black people wanting to see other black people winning, guys. Not everyone is greedy, guys. Not everyone is working for their own pocket like the government is doing in South Africa, guys. Some people are here to help and they are enjoying. They also want other people to enjoy. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. Say, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.